People's Republic of China is a country of long history and ancient civilization. In due course of time, People's Republic of China has proved as a global superpower, and spoken Mandarin is becoming very important language for all the nations of the world. Let's start learning spoken Mandarin. Let's start with the basic Mandarin. In English we spell hi, hello, and in Mandarin we pronounce ni hao. In Mandarin we pronounce ni hao. Let's speak with me. In Mandarin we pronounce ni hao. Let's come to the next word. In English we spell how are you, and in Mandarin we spell ni hao ma. In Mandarin we spell ni hao ma. In Mandarin we spell ni hao. In English, let's speak with me. In English we spell how are you, and in Mandarin we spell ni hao ma. In Mandarin we spell ni hao ma. Let's speak with me. Ni hao ma. Let's speak with me. Ni hao ma. Let's speak with me. Zhao shang hao. Let's speak with me. Zhao shang hao, which means good morning. Let's speak with me. Zhao shang hao, which means good morning. Let's speak with me. Xia wu hao. Xia wu hao, which means good afternoon. Let's speak with me. Xia wu hao, which means good afternoon. Let's speak with me. Wang shang hao, which means good evening. Let's speak with me. Wang shang hao, which means good evening. Let's speak with me. Wang shang hao, which means good evening. Let's speak with me. Wanan, which means good night. Speak with me. Wanan, which means good night. Let's start. Ni xiao shen mei mingzi, which means what's your name? Ni, N-I, xiao, J-I-A-O, shen mei, S-H-E-N-M-E, mingzi, M-I-N-G-Z-I, which means what's your name? Let's pronounce with me. Ni chiao sheng mei mingzi, which means what's your name? Ni chiao sheng mei mingzi, which means what's your name? Let's move to the next word. O chiao li, which means my name is. O chiao li, which means my name is. Suppose taking an example, your name may be Rohan. So you will say in Mandarin, O chiao li Rohan. Let's pronounce with me. O chiao li, which means my name is. Let's move to the next word. O shi lao shi, which means teacher. O shi lao shi, which means teacher. Let's pronounce with me. O shi lao shi, which means teacher. Let's move to the next word. O shi xue sheng. O shi xue sheng, which means student. Let's pronounce with me. O shi xue sheng, which means student. Let's move to the next word. O shi yi sheng. O shi yi sheng, which means doctor. Let's pronounce with me. O shi yi sheng, which means doctor. Let's move to the next sentence. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni, which means nice to meet you. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni, which means nice to meet you. Speak with me. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni, which means nice to meet you. Let's start with the next sentence. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni, which means nice to meet you. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni, which means nice to meet you. Let's speak with me again. Hen kao sheng ren shi ni,
which means nice to meet you. Let's move to the next sentence. How Chiu Bu Chiao, which means long time no see. How Chiu Bu Chiao, which means long time no see. Speak with me. How Bu Bu Chiao, which means long time no see. Let's move to the next word. Xie xie, which means thanks. Xie xie, which means thanks. Xie xie for watching my video. Let's move to the next word. Chai qian, which means goodbye. Chai qian, which means goodbye. Let's speak with me. Chai qian, which means goodbye. Let's repeat with me again. Hen Kaoxing Renshini, which means nice to meet you. Let's repeat with me. How Chiu Bu Chiao, which means long time no see. Let's repeat with me. How Chiu Bu Chiao, which means long time no see. Let's move to the next word. Repeat with me. Xie xie, which means thanks. Xie xie, which means thanks. Let's repeat with me. Xie xie, which means thanks. Let's move to the next word. Repeat with me. Chai qian, which means goodbye. Chai qian, which means goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Next class we will learn days of the week and month. So stay tuned.